Hey everybody, you know me, it's Paul with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning. And today I'm introducing my new zone carpet cleaning prices. That's right, carpet cleaning pricing made simple. What's a zone? It's any bedroom, dining room, living room, staircase, hallway, or other room, such as a bonus room, a loft, maybe an office. Any room that's carpeted is $50. There's no tax, no fees. It's a flat price. And what's included is clean, deodorize, and protect. It's a low moisture carpet cleaning system, so your carpets will be dry in 1 to 2 hours. You can get right back on them and continue living after the service with fresh, clean, deodorized carpets. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the new zone pricing.